Class 6 Mathematics Chapter number 1, Knowing Our Numbers. So before moving to this chapter, let me give you introduction about this chapter. In this chapter, we will be learning all about numbers. And in numbers, you all should know two place value system. That is Indian place value system and international place value system. As these place value system helps you to read and write the numbers. So let us start with international place value system. So students, before moving to class 6 NCERT book chapter number 1, Knowing Our Numbers, you all should know place value system. As you all know, there are two systems for reading and writing numbers. Indian place value system and international place value system. In our previous class 5, we have discussed about Indian place value system. I hope students you all remember. If you want to revise Indian place value system, you can click the I button. So here we will start with international place value system. In international place value system, there are 3 periods. How many periods are there? 3. As you can see here in the chart, periods are written at the top. That is ones, thousands and millions. These are the periods. Then periods are divided into places. Ones period has 3 places. Ones period has 3 places, that is ones, tens and hundred. Ones period has 3 places, ones, tens and hundreds. Then thousands period has 3 places. 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. Then million periods has 3 places. 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. So here we will learn about how to read and write international place value system, put in commas, expanded form and to find out place value. So now let us do some questions based on international place value system. Question number 1, rewrite the following numbers with proper commas using international place value system. A bar 36439608. We have to place the comma. So students, we will start putting commas from right. As we know that there are 3 periods, ones, thousands and millions. So first let us write this number here. 3, 6, 4, 3, 9, 6, 0, 8. So first 3, which period is this? It is ones. So place comma. Then next 3 will be thousands period. Then this 2 will be millions period. So after every period we have placed the comma. So now B part, first write down the number here. A 0 4 5 3 1 6 9 2. So which period is this? Ones. Then place comma. Then next 3 thousands. Then next 3 millions. So we'll place the comma here. So now question number 2. Write the number names of the following. A bar. So here comma is placed. We have to write down the number name. A bar 46, 372, 093. From right we know that which place is this? Ones. Then tens. Then 100 and period is ones. Then comma, which place is this? 1,000, 10,000 and 100,000. And which period is this? 1,000. Then next period is million. So it is 1 million and this is tens million. So now let us write the number name. This becomes very easy for us. As international place value system is new for you, at top I have written the periods and bottom I have written the places. So write down the number name. It is 46 million. Right here 46 million. Then 372,000. Right here 372 93. As before 93 it is 0. We will ignore that. It is 93. Right here 93. Now B part 274, 006, 045. So you know the places here. It is ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. So let us do this directly. It will be 274 million. Right here 274 million is the period. Then 006. So which place is this? 1000. And period is also 1000. Right here 6000. 6000. Then 045. Ones, tens. It is 45. Right here 45. So just read this number name. It is 274,006,045. Question number 3. Write the following in figures. So here number names are written. We have to write in figures. A bar 45,118,016. It is given 45 million. Period is million. So we'll place the comma after that. 45 million. Then 118,000. 118,000. So 1000 is another period. Then 16. 16 is in ones period. So right here 0, 1, 6. So it is 45,118,016. B bar 10,001,001. So here we have to write 10 million is the period, place comma 1000. So it will be 0, 0, 1. Then only 1. It will be 0, 0, 1. 10 million 1001. Then C part 650 million 45. 650 million. Right here 650 million. Place comma 45. So it will be 0, 0, 0. Then 0, 4, 5. As you can see here, the period of thousands is not given. So in place of that, we have written 3 zeros. Then 45. 100 place is not given. 100 place is not written. So we have written here 45. 650 million 45. So students, D part will be a homework, that is 30,805,107. So this part will be a homework. You have to do this by your own. Question number 4. Write the period, place, face value and place value of the underlined digit. So students, in class 5 I explained to you what is face value, face value. I hope you all remember. If you missed that part, you can click the I button. You can revise what is face value, place value. So now let us do A part. That is 60, 187, 549. And underlined digits are 5, 1 and 6. First let us find out the digit 5. So right here, underlined digit, that is 5. The period for 5 is, so this period will be ones. Then next period is thousands. Next period is millions. Ones, thousands, millions. Now, what is the period for 5? That is ones. Right here, ones. Then what is the place? As I told you, we are writing periods at top and places we have written down, that is ones, tens, hundreds. So what is the place here? 100. So the place of 5 is hundreds. Then what is face value? Face value is the actual value of the digit. So the face value of 5 will be 5. Right here, 5. Then place value, you will multiply face value, that is 5, into place, that is 100. 5 into 100, that will be 500. Right here, 5 into 100. So the place value of 5 is 500. You can check here. After 5, there are 2 digits. So there will be 2 zeros. Next underlined digit is 1. So let us write here 1. What is the period of 1? That is thousands. Right here, thousands. Then what is the place of 1? Here 100. So 1's place is 100 thousands. Right here 100 thousands. So this is the place of 1. And the face value is the actual value of the digit, that will be 1. Right here 1. Then place value will be face value into place, that is 100 thousands. 100 thousands. So it will be 1 0 0 0 0 0. After 1 there are 5 digits. 1 2 3 4 5. Next underlined digit is 6. Right here 6. So what is the period of 6? That is millions. Right here millions. Then what is the place? That is ones, tens. 10 millions. 10 millions is the place. 10 millions. Then face value will be actual value, that is 6. Then we have to find out place value, that will be 6 into 10 million. 6 into 10 million. So how many zeros are there? 7. 6, 60. 3 times 0, then 3 times 0. Let us count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So after 6 there are 7 zeros. I hope students now you are able to find out period, place, face value and place value of the underlined digits. So now let us see the difference between Indian place value system and international place value system through screen. So here you can see students, I have drawn Indian place value system and international place value system. So what is the main difference between both? In Indian place value system, there are 4 periods, that is ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. And international place value system has 3 periods, ones, thousands and millions. So ones period is divided into 3 places in both, that is ones, tens and hundreds. Then thousands period is divided into 2 places in Indian place value system, that is 1000 and 10,000. But in international place value system, thousands period is divided into 3 places, that is 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. Then lakhs period is divided into 2 places, that is 1 lakh and 10 lakh. And in international place value system, millions period is divided into 3 places, that is 1 million, 10 millions and 100 millions. So students, what you can see common? Till which place? Both the system it is common. Till 10,000 we can see that places are common. After 10,000 in Indian place value system it is lakh, 10 lakh and so on. Here you can see students, 100,000 is equal to lakh. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Then 10 million is equal to 1 crore. And 100 million is equal to 10 crore. So this is the difference between Indian place value system and international place value system. So now let us take one example here. The number is, as you can see, periods are written at top. So the number name is 23 lakh 19,617. And international place value system, it is read as 2,319,617. So students, as you have seen the difference between Indian and international place value system, So now let us do some fill in the blanks based on that. Number 1. The Indian and international system of numeration follow the same pattern up to the dash place. They follow the same pattern up to the which place? So you know that ones, tens, hundred, that is ones period. It remains same in both the system. Then in international system it comes 1000, 10,000, then it comes 100,000. Then in Indian system it comes 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh. So which place it is same? It is still 10,000. Right here 10,000. So this place it remains the same in both the system. Second question, 100 millions is equal to dash crore. First let us write here international place value system. So we know that here ones, tens, 100, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then 1 million, 10 million, then it is 100 million. So right here it is according to international place value system. So here I am writing now Indian place value system. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, then lakh, 10 lakh, then crore, 10 crore. So it is according to Indian system. It is according to Indian place value system. The question is 100 millions is equal to dash crore. So 100 million is how much? This much. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, and it is crore. So here 10 is missing, that will be 10 crores. So it is equal to 10 crores. Now third question, 1 million is equal to dash lakh. 1 million. 1 million is still where? Till here. This is 1 million is equal to lakhs. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, and lakh is coming here. So it will be 10 lakh. Right here 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Fourth question, 1 crore is equal to dash million. 10 crore equals to 100 million. So 1 crore is equal to 10 million. Right here 10. Fifth question, 1 lakh is equal to dash thousand. So let us write here 1 lakh, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. 1 lakh is equal to thousands. So how much thousands it will be? It will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be 100 thousands. So now next question. Commas are inserted in a number after each periods. As I told you, commas are inserted after each period. So right here, periods. Like in international place value system, there are 3 periods, ones, tens, and like in international place value system, there are 3 periods, ones, thousands, and millions. Next question. An 8-digit number starts with dash place in the international system. First, let us write here international place value system. Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, 1 million, and it is 10 million. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the 8-digit number. So which place it is? 10 million. So place is 10 million. Right here 10 million. So I hope students now you are able to read and write international place value system and solve the questions given. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have understood Gulin ma'am's class. So today we have completed international place value system. Practice all these questions at home. Now in our next class we'll be starting with chapter number 1, knowing our numbers from the Maths NCERT book. So stay connected. We'll see you in our next class. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.